Good morning. In today's class, we will see what is meant by orthographic projections. Orthographic projections. It is a technical drawing. It is a technical drawing in which different views of an object are projected on different planes. Orthographic projection is a technical drawing in which different views of an object are projected on different planes. Here, different views are, different views are front view, top view, and side view. Different planes are vertical plane, horizontal plane, and profile plane. There are two more additional planes are there. Those are auxiliary planes. We will see auxiliary planes while discussing solid topic, projection of solid topic. So orthographic projection, it is a technical drawing in which different views of an object are projected on different planes. Different views are front view, top view, side view, and different planes are vertical plane, horizontal plane, and profile plane. Now coming to projection, what is projection? The word projection stems from Latin and invented by the French scientist Munch in 18th century. Projection is a Latin word. It consists of two words, pro plus eject. Pro means forward and eject means releasing. So projection is nothing but throwing forward or releasing forward by means of straight lines or light rays. Coming to classification of projection, projections are classified into three types. Projections are classified into three types. First one, orthographic projection, and second one, pictorial projection. This pictorial projection again divided into three types. One is isometric projection, oblique projection, and perspective projection. Orthographic projection is mainly deals with two-dimensional figures, whereas isometric deals with three-dimensional figures. So perspective drawings are mainly used in architecture drawings. Isometric views are mainly used in engineering fields, and oblique drawings also used in engineering fields. Now coming to orthographic projection. orthographic projection. In orthographic projection, projectors are parallel to each other. Projectors are parallel to each other and perpendicular to the plane of projection. So all projectors are parallel to each other and perpendicular to the plane of projection. Plane of projection is nothing but screen of the object. So orthographic projections are projectors are parallel to each other and perpendicular to the plane of projection. To draw orthographic projection, we require three. First one is observer, second one is object, and third one is plane of projection, or also known as screen. These three are essential to draw orthographic projection: observer, object, and plane of projection. Now coming to isometric or pictorial projection. Pictorial projections are mainly deals with the three-dimensional figures. And coming to the definition of pictorial projection, all projectors are originates from single point, and those projectors are not parallel to each other, and there will be some inclination with plane of projection. Okay, in orthographic projection, projectors are parallel to each other and perpendicular to the plane of projection. All projectors are parallel to each other and perpendicular to the plane of projection. See, projectors are passing like this. Whereas in pictorial projection, projectors are not parallel to each other and it has some inclination with plane of projection. Okay, and pictorial projections are isometric, oblique, and perspective. Okay, these are the difference between orthographic and pictorial projection. Now coming to first angle projection. In orthographic projections, we require three essential things. Those are object, observer, and plane of projection. In orthographic projections, we have different angles of projections are there. First one, first angle projection. Second one, third angle projection. First angle projection means when the object is placed in first quadrant, then it is known as first angle projection. Similarly, if the object is placed in third angle, then it is known as third angle projection. Now we will see what is first angle, what is third angle, why we are not using second angle, fourth angle projection. We will see now briefly. Okay, let us consider This is vertical plane, and this is horizontal plane. Okay. This one is vertical plane and this one is horizontal plane, and this line is called reference line, XY reference line. So this is first quadrant, this is second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant. Okay. If object is placed in first quadrant, then it is known as first angle projection. Similarly, if the object is placed in second quadrant, then it is known as second angle projection, and if the object is placed in third quadrant, it is known as third angle projection, and if the object is placed in fourth quadrant, it is known as fourth angle projection. Okay, this is VP and this is HP. To draw projections, we require three things, as we already discussed that. One is object, second one is observer, and third one is plane of projection. This is known as plane of projection or screen, and this is object, and observer always sees the object in this direction. Observer position will not change. Observer always sees the object in this direction. If the object is placed in first quadrant, then first angle projection principle is object always lies between observer and plane of projection. Now coming to, if the object is placed in second quadrant, it is the principle of second angle projection is plane of projection always lies between observer and object. Okay, I am repeating the statement again. If the object is placed in first quadrant, it is known as first angle projection. If the object is placed in third quadrant, it is known as third angle projection. Now coming to principle of first angle projection. In first angle projection, object always lies between observer and plane of projection. Similarly, if the object is placed in second quadrant, principle of second angle projection is plane of projection always lies between observer and object. Now first angle projection position is above HP, in front of VP. Coming to second angle projection position is above HP, behind VP. Now coming to fourth angle, below HP, in front of VP. Coming to third angle, below HP, behind VP. So these are the positions of objects in all quadrants.